In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Koyfin Financial Data. By the end, you'll know how to get a fast, meaningful snapshot of a company and then drill into detailed historical financials, all without getting lost in the interface. Start by using the search bar to look up a ticker symbol and open its snapshot. This page is your command center. As you scroll, you'll see the key financial sections that matter most for a quick read. In valuation, focus on metrics like PE, EV, E/TDA, and price to book. These give you a sense of how the market is pricing the company relative to its earnings, operating cash flow, and book value. If a company has negative earnings, PE may be unavailable, so lean on EV/EBITDA or price to sales when needed. Remember, valuation is most useful in context, relative to the company's own history or its industry. Next, review performance returns. This area shows how the stock has performed over different periods, helping you see momentum and drawdowns at a glance. It's helpful for framing whether a recent move fits into a longer trend or is just short-term noise. Keep scrolling to capital structure and ratios. Here, you'll typically find information that speaks to financial health and resilience, how much debt the company uses, how it's financed, and efficiency or liquidity ratios. These details help you judge balance sheet strength alongside growth ambitions. Then check analyst estimates. This section aggregates expectations for revenue, earnings, and sometimes other metrics. It gives you a forward-looking lens and signals where consensus thinks the business is headed. Treat it as a guide, not a guarantee, and note how revisions can hint at shifting sentiment. Taken together, this snapshot provides an instant financial overview of the company, valuation, performance, balance sheet quality, and the market's expectations, all in one clean pass. When you're ready to go deeper, move to financial analysis. From either the chart view or the snapshot, click Financial Analysis to open detailed historical statements. Here you can explore the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, and profitability metrics in organized tabs. Walk through revenue, margins, and operating income to see how the business scales. Review assets, liabilities, and equity to assess stability, and trace cash from operations, investing, and financing to understand how growth is funded. You can customize templates to focus on exactly what you need: margins, growth rates, or cash flow metrics, so the view highlights the drivers that matter for your thesis. This area shows historical financial statement data in depth, letting you connect the quick snapshot takeaways to the underlying numbers and trends. That's the workflow. Start broad with snapshot, then go deep with financial analysis to build conviction.